No, no, do not come out here, Loki. Do not come out there.
Roman Reigns. Oh, RKO by Orton.
No.
Väldigt stor dröm som har gått i uppfyllelse. Tjomeri, kan ni få höra ett stöd?
No. You have to stay in here.
Garfield.
River. Yeah, you don't have to hide back there. I'll cuddle you. Yeah, you like it back there? Yeah, oh my good.
If it isn't the consequences of my own actions, you can't have it back.
Like, sir, what feet are those? Are those your front feet or are they your back feet? I don't understand. And are you okay?
Many cat ancestors would refuse to recognize her as their descendant.
You hurt me. Leave me alone. No, you stop it. No, you stop it. Chunk, what do you want? What do you want? Show me. Where is it? Show me. Where is it? Oh, yeah? Is that what you want? Yeah? That's what you want? Oh.
Defense in position, ready to counter. Wait, water? Sorry, this opponent's too strong.
Alright, Merry Christmas, Gretchen.
I think that just dripped oil right on her face.
Finishing touches on this match.
Bro seems determined to leave chaos everywhere he goes, and the clinic is no exception.
Oh shit, you're on the other side of the fence though.
一次而已，只是这一餐。呀。
Even cats have their own stuff, so it's best to respect their privacy.
哦，一餐。
Ma'am, you are not bringing that to your room. No. No, ma'am.
touches on this match.
Get the fuck out of here. Okay, get the fuck out.
Walter, I heard the brain cell's nearby. Yeah, you gotta go get it. It's over there. Go get the brain cell. Go get
The cat staring at the flickering candle like a child discovering the world for the first time. Truly innocent.
I know, buddy. I'm sorry.
Just one day away and already getting a full lecture. Clearly, the boss is not pleased with my absence.
No.
Good morning. Good morning. Do you want to go eat? Do you want to go eat? You want a treat? You want to go eat? Come on. Let's go eat.
Round one, I want a fair fade. Damn, they coming in hot. Okay, time out. No racial slurs this time. Okay, round two.
I don't know. I feel like it's kind of mean to keep them inside for their whole lives. But
Bro, look at this.
Hello.
All what cat owners need after a long time being away from home.
Cuddling this fluffy, chunky cat is the best. Such an unexpectedly peaceful feeling.
nessun gatto fa questa cosa qua.
Oh!
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Ayang mau ke siapa? Mau ke mama?
Mamanya di mana? Mamanya di mana?
Cleo, can I have a kiss? No. Please, can I just have one little kiss? No.
You gonna deliver sweet?
Are you starving? Can you say "Wah"?
Can I please use the bathroom? Is that okay? I'll be out in a second, okay? Thank you.
Hey, what is it, buddy? Is that an op? What the hell are you going? You're embarrassing us!
There is nothing funnier to me than when a cat finally discovers the power of its hind legs and completes its pokey evolution from cat to meerkat.
What the? Chalupa! Chalupa. Oh my.
What do you want? I don't know.
What are you doing? You don't know? You don't know? No?
Yo, whose cat is this, bro? I ain't gonna lie, he's showing me a little too much love. I don't even know, buddy. This gotta be Diddy's cat or something. Touches on this match.
Shit.
Number 30. Do you know sine 2x over x? Max.
Hey, Stinky. I'm about to get in bed. I'm coming. Okay. Can I take my shoes off? That fine with you? Huh? Making biscuits? Yeah? I'm so hungry I could eat Pagagua. Oh my. Oh man.
Это просто типичный Стамбул. Вы представляете, они снег положили.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please. No.
How long you been out on the streets for? And you think Canada played a part in this? I bet. And if you had one message to the world, what would it be? Oh, run! Run!
Anywhere else. I don't want my face touched. I have acne.
Look who's preparing to audition for the circus.
Coney, do you want to play? Do you want to play? You would like to play. Okay, let's go. Oh, that's a big stretch. Come on.
You gotta get out somehow.
Yo, what did I do?
Huh? Filming? Do I look that strange for this checkup?
FEMA on the phone. I think we're going to qualify after this disaster.
Nah, bro, that's a setup. Coco, it's a trap. He's leading you to a drawn-out tunnel so you can move out the way last minute, yell out, meep, meep, and make you hit the wall.
Why is everyone mad at me?
Please be nice.
Loki!
Eccola.
That's evil! Oh my god, you're a devil. You're a devil girl. I'm scared.
是吧？是吧？
Oh. Hey! Abby, don't.
Someone isn't scared of the checkup, just scared of not having a place to hide during it.
This is getting out of hand, bro. I think it's time we get Coco on a diet. Because why is he struggling sitting in the chair? Bro, how? The chair can hold 300 pounds. Yo, we really gotta end this catnip epidemic, bro. Got a whole cat fiend over here nodding on my windowsill. Hey! Hey, bro, get a job!
Yo, you wanna see something cool? No? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Iguodala to Curry, back to Iguodala, up for the layup. Oh, blocked by Jay.
Буя, слышишь, как кричит? На улице она ушки одела, одела ушки так голову, обруч. Он прям вообще в зоне.
Trying to figure out where you was at. You're not coming in. Where was you at the whole last night? You brought back a
I don't care if you get mad or get an attitude. It's your tail slapping on my laptop, la boy. And you need to move your feet and your tail out my way. I wish you would hit me. I wish you would hit me. I wish you would. You got a nasty attitude this morning because your big gargantuous behind can't fit nowhere.
Me.